Hi guys, how are you? Yes, the box that I just got for a BMW timing set toolkit. So I will be showing you quickly what's inside and what to expect when you are looking for one for your N50, 152, N53 and 54, and then the N55. There are other ones where you can just buy the one for your engine that you need, but I decided to go and buy this one, a full package, so I do not have any hassles. I own X3 with an N52 engine, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, here we are. We have the long screws, the bar, and the bridge. This is what I decided to get from my car. So I noticed that online there are videos, but they don't show exactly what you actually get if you go for this one with everything, because also the one that I bought, it shows you which one you will need to lock your cams and whatnot, and then your bridge, your lock pins, your long screws. So if you just want to see, it's quite heavy. Remember, I am doing this with one hand, so this is how it looks. And then obviously when you locking thingy your cams, you take this and then you start with this. You obviously need to turn your car to a TDC and all that. I'm sure you know that. You wouldn't be fiddling with this if you had no idea. You know, it is quite heavy. But yeah, this is what my timing toolkit looks like. So if you need more content on how to use, please let me know and comment, like the video, share the video. I'm Sia, by the way. Cheers.